Joining us right now is Mark Mobius, veteran investor and founding partner of Mobius Capital Partners. And Mark, you've got an international view of everything that's happening. But when you look around the globe right now, are you more concerned about the inflation problem, or are you more concerned about what's happening with the financial sector and stability?
Actually, there are two things we're concerned about. One, of course, is the banking situation, because what's happened in the U.S. and in Switzerland is really a great concern for international investors, particularly the big investors who trust the big banks and who think their money will be safe. So there's really a lot of concern about that, which I think is why gold has gone up a little bit. And also Bitcoin, believe it or not, is seen as somewhat of a safe haven, I suppose, by many people. But that's one thing. The other thing, of course, is what's happening to interest rates. And these, of course, are interrelated, because if the Fed keeps on raising rates, then you're going to have a lot of banks in trouble who are sitting on long-term bonds that are being priced at lower and lower prices as interest rates go up. So these are the two big concerns we see internationally. You can see emerging markets index has underperformed recently again because China is down, but then Taiwan and Korea are doing pretty well. There are a few other markets that are doing pretty well, but there's still a tremendous amount of uncertainty out there. And I think it's going to be that way for quite some time now.
Yesterday, we had Kevin Warsh on the show. He is a former governor at the Federal Reserve, and he said it really doesn't matter if the Fed raises another 25 basis points at this point, that the damage has already been done, and it's not going to be that different. That doesn't sound what you think. Sounds like you are much more concerned if they do raise rates, it will cause additional pressure.
Exactly. I think there will be a lot more pressure. Of course, they'd come to the rescue, but at the end of the day, we're not only talking about the U.S., we're talking about the global situation. And if you look at Switzerland, which was considered such a safe haven for so long, they're under question now. So I think this is something we have to look at very carefully. And there may be a retreat to other areas of the world, such as the Middle East. The Middle East banks, rich with petrodollars, might be a safe haven. But again, that's a big question mark. I would say there's still a lot of uncertainty out there.
Mark, have you moved money into things like the Petrobanks?
No, I'm very, very skeptical of banks generally, even the Petrobanks, because they're so opaque. You really don't know what's going on behind the scenes, as we've learned now with the situation in the U.S. So I stay away from banks generally. But in terms of keeping my money, my cash, yes. Investing, no, but keeping cash in some of these banks, yes, that's not a problem as far as I'm concerned. And I've got an account in one of the banks in the Middle East, in Dubai, and I think they're pretty safe. But again, you have to be diversified. You can't put all your eggs in one basket.
You have talked, I think, recently about how you've had problems getting money out of a bank in China. Is that still the case? If you can't go to European banks, if you're worried about all these places, where do you think the safe place is to put your money?
Well, thank God that I've been able to get that money out of China. It just happened just today, as a matter of fact. So I'm really happy about that. But you must remember that all these countries have foreign exchange controls with very complicated sets of rules. And sometimes if you're not able to meet the documentary requirements, then you have problems. So I think you have to be pretty well diversified. I'm looking more and more at Asian banks. I'm here in Singapore, and I think the banks here are in pretty good shape because the bank rules are very tight. But again, you have to be diversified. You can't put all your eggs in one basket.